to, if necessary.
If necessary.
Okay. I'm sweating.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Stefano and I went to Ikea.
Don't tell anyone.
And we are going to finally fix up our living area because I realized that I'm having a hard time decorating this place. One, budget-wise, but two, I'm just not really as inspired as I usually am. Usually when I move into a place, it's like right then and there I get my shit together and I start decorating, and I just haven't been. So we went to Ikea. I've mentioned in other videos that we're planning on like changing up the style a little bit, and so I've kind of been like in a style rut. You guys also said that you want more home decorating videos, so this is for you.
You're fine. This is actually really heavy. Oh!
Are you serious?
I almost pulled
okay?
my back out.
Are you okay? Okay, it was all fun and games until I did it.
Sad, but you really hurt my back.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No way.
I'm serious.
Wait. Shit.
Just kidding!
Hi guys. What do you think you're doing? So basically we're going to redecorate this entire area because we've been half-assed decorating it. And yeah, it's a mess. We just ate. We basically use this as our dining table. Does anybody else not use their dining table? I'm gonna redecorate this area. First step is to clean, or at least just put it somewhere else and vacuum. And then it's a blank canvas. When you go to Ikea, you only want to get a few things, but they come out.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
You are not alone. I'm here with you.
Let's go, come on.
You are not alone. Okay, just go. I need all your toys.
You sure you want to do this right now? Actually, I'm done.
What?
I'm just kidding.
I was about to judo chop you.
It's a lot of rug. I dig it.
You can do it. Put your back into it. Fuck, I always underestimate how heavy this is. Seth, it's tipping over.
I know. I was doing it.
You're doing that on purpose? Ow! You really could have fucked my back.
Your job is to hold it.
That really hurt.
Idiot.
Oh, it's great. This is a great rug. Oh, Jim, we're so creative.
Can you lift that, please?
It looks beautiful.
I like it now.
I love it. We're finally playing with color. We did it, Jam. You and me. Ow, ow, ow.
What? Oh, the heck. Sorry.
I'm creeping. I'm an old lady. Like, loving it.
I love it when it's far away from the... I don't like it anywhere near the fucking couch. This is great.
Hey!
First time we're playing with color and I'm really into it. I'm very into it. All right, we've ditched the plant and the ottoman. Oh, so much better. So much better. Okay, so when it comes to this shit, Steph and I have no idea what we're doing design-wise. We're just going with what feels good to us. And this is our first time playing with color, so. Steph's biggest pet peeve is when the carpets slide because there's no grip under them, but.
I'm so happy.
Now we are in Stefano's man cave, AKA our shed. And we're gonna try and get this all done before we have to pick up Soul from daycare. I'm not gonna lie right now, very tired. Very, very, very tired. And the sun's bright. It's a bright sun. Oh, I almost fell. Dun, 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 dun. Handyman, handyman. Down, now, now, now. Handyman. Handyman. Stefano's little shed setup situation. We're gonna do a tour of his shed soon. This is us redecorating. So we pushed this plant against the wall, and now we're gonna put this plant over there.
Where? Here?
Okay. Gentle, my young grasshopper. Gentle, my young grasshopper. Okay, let's see. I always like to see the view from when I walk into the room. So right when you walk in, this is our hallway, and then here's our living room. I like it. It's a cool little jungle. I love it, Steph.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good idea, Bubba's. I didn't even think about putting that up there to save room for that.
Not at all. I like it a lot. I think it's cool. It's actually perfect.
I love that. And then we're never gonna turn the fireplace on, right?
Not really.
I put the disco ball in there?
Yeah, sure. That's a good idea.
That's what I originally wanted, remember?
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, the fireplace is too bougie.
It's way too bougie for our style. It was originally in there. We're gonna place it over here. Y'all know we love disco balls. Right now, Brandon's here.
Get in the stroller.
Hello. Hi. Okay, so this is gonna be the studio area. Hey, bud. Where are you going?
Is that how you want it?
Start over, okay? There you go. Higher. Don't eat that.
every fucking
Okay, sweetheart, I'm gonna put you in here, okay? All right, dear friends, this is our makeshift studio area. I'm not crazy about this shelf situation. I think I've done better shelfies in my time, but like I said, I'm constantly rearranging and moving the plants, but I'm not really mad about this. So right now I have my Monstera plant, my Birds of Paradise plant, the ZZ plant that you guys all called out in my plant tour. If you guys remember, I got these babies at an estate sale. This is my shelf situation. I'm gonna do a more thorough plant tour video, but this is what I decorated. This is super clutch. I got this from Target. It's in my Target haul. At the end of the day, when Soul's done playing, I just put all of his toys in here. It's just so much easier to tidy up. So if we're looking for something, it's either in this bin, it's in his playpen, or it's in his bedroom. These are some of my favorite books. We picked up the Yayoi Kusama. I refer to her all the time. She's this brilliant artist, Japanese artist. My Urban Jungle book, In the Company of Women, and then my crystal book that my sister got me, as well as my Milk and Honey by Rupi Kaur, if I pronounce that right. And then my sister also gave us this beautiful rock iridescent shell situation. And then this is from CB2, but I actually thrifted it. As you can tell, I still have lots of dusting to do, but I want to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible, so you can only do so much. I just picked up these babies from Savers. Not sure if I'm gonna return them or not. They're just really cute vases. I think it'd be really nice to put a pampas plant in there. Our Tibetan bowl that we got in Bali, that we also store our incense that we also got from Bali. That is my studio area. Pretty happy with the way it is set up. And this is the finished, well, not really finished. These rugs are from Ikea. This brass table I thrifted before we even moved here. This was originally in Soul's nursery, thrifted, hand-me-down, Target, thrifted. Very, very, very happy with this living area situation. Alright guys, that is it with this redecorating our house video. I don't even know what I'm going to title this, but I'm really excited to show you, to finally give you guys a sneak peek of our home. I know you guys have constantly been asking for a house tour, and I figured why not just kind of show you our thinking process, a little bit more of a casual video on how we decorate it and how we're constantly experimenting and decorating. So if you guys haven't yet, go on ahead and subscribe to Oh my god, I'm sweating so much. If you guys haven't yet, go on ahead and click that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join the HellaJam family. And leave a comment with how you like our new vibe. Usually it's more bohemian, but I feel like our styles, it's changing. We wanted to play with color more. We wanted to kind of make it a little bit more modern, a little bit, but still vintage. So, all right, peace, thanks.